Hello my friends, how are you all doing? My name is Enrique and today we are going to be making the unboxing of the Maono AU-PM461. Maono contacted me to send me one of their microphones to check out and to make my review. Now let's make the unboxing, and on the next video we're going to make the complete review on the microphone itself. So let's check it out. I like their packaging, I like the colors that they choose, the yellow and black. They pass well together. This is an cardioid polar pattern microphone, like says right here, but more about all of the specs, we're going to do it on the complete review. Now, let's open it up. Okay. Like always, one small card telling you about support and if you're happy about the microphone. Here is the user manual, completely in color, not too bad, not too shabby. How to install it, how to configure it, but nobody has time for that, isn't it? Now, don't need this. This, for what I see, is the stand. It's a really small stand, fairly lightweight, but I think it's okay. And in here we're going to find this is where you put the microphone. Let's build it up together. Again guys, I'm making this at the same time as you. I have not unboxed it, I have not seen it. Feels okay. I will not recommend really to put the microphone on top of your table because you are always going to take all the vibrations where you are typing or if you are gaming around. I always recommend better to have an arm for it, but if you don't have one, at the beginning, I still don't have one, and I'm recording like this with my microphone, so I do believe it's going to be fine for the beginning, but like I say, I will recommend you that you guys take a boom arm if you want to use a microphone. The USB cable, as you can see, is a Type A to Type B port. I love that Maono used this on their microphones because this connector right here is really sturdy, and normally this is the connector that you find mostly on printers, but I really do like and enjoy that they make it in the microphone. This is never going to get broken, especially a microphone so small like this one. You probably can use it a lot when you're traveling around after everything that is going on in the world right now is finished and you can travel everywhere. I think it's going to be really good to take it around with you. So let's see what more is in here. This is the wind shield for the microphone itself. As you could probably know, in my last video I already said that how this come, I don't like it. You see it? Like it's kink right here. This also happened in the last microphone that they sent me. But as I noticed a couple of days after, once you have it set up in your microphone and a couple of days have passed, this is going to take, again, their shape, so you don't need to worry about all the kinks that have right now. It's not going to be a problem for you. Now, let's open the big boy. Let's open and take a look at the microphone itself. Come in a little small white bag. Now, it's really lightweight. Looks pretty good. The build, I think it's plastic with aluminum. Here is the connector for the USB Type B port, like I said before. And here you have a gain knob. I hope you guys can see it good. To control the volume. And it's fairly simple microphone. Like I said before, this is a cardioid microphone, so you want to have the front of it pointed towards the place where you're going to be speaking, but it's really good also if you are not going to be doing interviews, because it's not going to take so much the noises coming from behind of the microphone, especially if you, like me, have your PC next to you on the table. You know how loud PCs can be sometimes, especially when you are gaming or doing productivity. So this is a plus. And let's assemble it together in the base. I do believe here you have a ring Here you have a ring where you can adjust it. That is pretty much it. Not bad, I do believe. You guys can see it. This is the complete microphone. It's really small, lightweight, like I said before, and what I like about that it's so small is that you're not going to take so much space on your bags if you're going to be traveling around, and also it's really light. In comparison, of course, with the Blue Yeti that is so heavy, I think this could be a really good microphone. And I know that this microphone is compatible with a lot of things. It's compatible with your phones, for example, I think with Apple and Android. Of course, you're going to be needing to use an adapter cable for that. It's also compatible with Sony PlayStation, I do believe. The only thing I think is not compatible is with the Xbox. But don't quote me on that right here, we're going to speak more about that on the description. So if you don't want to miss it, subscribe to the channel to see it in the future, okay guys? I like it. Let's put the windshield on it. Normally at home I don't use one windshield, even though that I have a fairly, how you can say it? I have a fairly I breathe a lot when I speak. Let's say it like this. And I probably don't need it because I use a lot of filters in post-production, but maybe can use it. We're going to be doing all the testing and comparison with this one against the more expensive Blue Yeti. So stay tuned for that. So that is pretty much for the unboxing of the Maono AU-PM461TR. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Like I said, subscribe to the channel to check the full review about the video. And if you enjoyed this content, press the like button. This always really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching, my friends, and like always, see you on the next time. Bye bye.